Now, after explosive WhatsApp chats hinted at Rhea and Sushant's drug link, Rhea has released a statement saying that she has never consumed drugs in her life. She also said that she's ready for a blood test anytime to prove this. Now, transcripts of deleted WhatsApp chats by Rhea Chakravarti accessed by India Today suggested that she may have sourced drugs and possibly even administered it to Sushant. Meanwhile, India Today has accessed another WhatsApp chat between Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi and Rhea Chakravarti, which shows that Sushant had promised to quit weed and was taking medicines. In the WhatsApp messages, Shruti Modi was telling Rhea about how Sushant was seeking help and treatment to kick off the weed habit. Pankaj, over to you. Pankaj, we're also seeing another set of messages between Rhea Chakravarti and Shruti Modi, Sushant and Rhea's business manager, where they're speaking about how Sushant wants to quit weed. Does that suggest that Sushant was addicted to weed? Was he a smoker? Was the drugs being procured to also give it to Sushant? Even Rhea may be consuming it, even Sushant. What more do we know with that regard?
Nivela, we would not want to draw any conclusions because these are, I'll again repeat, these are standalone WhatsApp messages that are coming out. The agencies have not come on record to say that, what was being done, who was procuring it, who was consuming it, what was the amount, what was the degree, whose involvement has been established at that point of time. But with the kind of explosive information that is coming with us, we can at least presume as to what is happening and give the viewers the ground report. Now, with regards to the messages that have come out, earlier, remember, the late actor's family members had also alleged that Rhea Chakravarti was administering overdose of certain drugs to Sushant, and that had changed his complete lifestyle. He had become weak, and this fact has already been established. This version has also been supported by Neeraj, who had been saying that over the past couple of months, Sushant Singh looked very weak. He looked very pale, especially after his Europe trip. But was it the reason after consuming of the drugs that he has started looking weak and pale? This is yet to be established. But yes, what my sources in the ED and in the Narcotics Bureau here are saying that they have taken cognizance of the entire WhatsApp messages. But even right now, they are also saying that they are well aware of the drug culture in Bollywood as well. Now, this is a big statement. When you're talking about the drugs culture in Bollywood as well, it's going to be big. Is there a cartel at play here? They are saying Rhea is just not the focus. Their focus is not just on Rhea. They are looking at the larger picture as to catch the bigger fishes here. So I think this is explosive. This is big. Many more big names could come out in this entire saga.
Absolutely,
so
Pankaj. This is when drugs is involved, the narcotics jumps in, and then the investigation takes a whole different turn, a different line altogether. Was Sushant smoking weed? He wanted to give up that habit. Was Rhea procuring drugs? Did she administer it to him? All these questions still remain hanging, which the CBI as well as the narcotics now jumping in to investigate and probe further. Pankaj, do stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.